Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new to investing, picking the right investments can feel overwhelming. But honestly, building long-term wealth doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll break down the best beginner-friendly assets that will help you grow your money safely over time. We're talking about investments that are perfect for beginners, require minimal effort to manage, and have the potential to make you a lot of money in the long run. Let's dive in. The first investment we're going to talk about is ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Instead of buying individual stocks, you're essentially buying a basket of stocks with just one purchase. Think of it like buying a variety pack of chips instead of just one flavor. You get exposure to a bunch of different companies, which reduces your risk. This is called diversification, and it's one of the most important concepts in investing. ETFs also have super low fees. They typically have much lower fees, meaning more of your money stays working for you. And the best part? ETFs are incredibly easy to buy. You can find them on pretty much any online brokerage platform like Trade, Fidelity, Robinhood, even Vanguard. If you can buy something on Amazon, you can buy an ETF. For beginners, I always recommend starting with ETFs that track broad market indices. One of my favorites is VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This ETF tracks the S&P 500, which is basically the 500 biggest publicly traded companies in the US. Another great option is VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. This one's even more diversified than VOO because it covers the entire US stock market. And finally, if you're looking for an ETF that pays dividends, check out SEHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Look guys, if you're looking for safe, long-term growth and you want to keep things simple, ETFs are one of the best ways to start investing. Now that we've covered ETFs, let's talk about one of the most powerful concepts in finance: compound interest. This is the secret sauce that can turn a small amount of money into a substantial sum over time. It's like a snowball effect for your wealth. Here's how it works. When you invest your money, it earns a return. But here's the cool part. Those returns then earn their own returns. And then those returns earn even more returns, and so on and so forth. It's like a chain reaction of wealth building. Imagine you invest $1,000, and it earns an average annual return of 8%. After the first year, you'd have $1,080. In the second year, you're not just earning 8% on your original $1,000, you're earning 8% on $1,080. And this pattern continues year after year. Over time, even without adding any more money, your investment can grow exponentially. In fact, that same $1,000 investment, earning an average of 8% per year, would grow to over $10,000 in 30 years. That's the power of compounding. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Remember, the secret to wealth isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Start now, and let compound interest work its magic. Chapter 3. Automation, the secret weapon of successful investors. We've talked about ETFs and the power of compound interest. Now let's discuss the final piece of the puzzle: automation. This is where things get really easy. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is letting their emotions dictate their investment decisions. When the market is doing well, it's easy to get caught up in the hype and want to invest more. But then, when the market takes a dip, fear sets in, and they end up selling their investments at a loss. By automating your investments, you take the emotion out of the equation and ensure that you're consistently investing over time. It's like setting your finances on autopilot. Setting up automatic investments is super simple. Most online brokerage platforms make it incredibly easy. Once you've set it up, that's it. Your investments will be made automatically whether the market is up, down, or sideways. Remember, the best investors don't guess when to invest. They set it and forget it. So there you have it, the best beginner investments for long-term growth. We talked about the importance of diversification and stability with ETFs, the incredible power of compound interest, and the simplicity of automating your investments. Remember, building wealth takes time and consistency. Don't get caught up in trying to get rich quick schemes. Instead, focus on making smart, long-term investments that will help you build a secure financial future. Want to see these strategies in action? Watch the full $10 Investing Blueprint series on our channel Cashflow Extreme, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite long-term investment? Comment below. Subscribe if you want to learn more.